In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money to your Payoneer account. Before we start, it's important to understand that Payoneer is mainly designed for receiving business payments, marketplace payments, and client payments. It does not always work like a normal bank account where you can simply deposit cash or add money from any card. The deposit options available to you may depend on your country, account type, and Payoneer account status. First, log into your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Once you are inside your dashboard, check that your account is fully verified. If Payoneer asks you to complete identity verification, address verification, bank verification, or a questionnaire, finish those steps first because some receiving options may not be available until verification is complete. Next, go to the Get Paid, Receive, or Receiving Account section. Here, Payoneer may provide local receiving account details for different currencies, such as USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, or others. These details can be used to receive payments from approved companies, marketplaces, or business clients. Choose the currency account you want to use and open the details. You may see information like account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, or SWIFT details, depending on the currency. Copy the details carefully and provide them to the company or platform that will send you money. For example, if you work with a freelance platform, e-commerce marketplace, affiliate network, or business client, you can add your Payoneer receiving details as your payout method if that platform supports it. Another way to receive money is through Payoneer's payment request feature, if available in your account. Go to Request a Payment, enter your client's details, amount, currency, and payment description, then send the request. Your client can pay using one of the supported payment methods shown by Payoneer. You may also be able to receive money from another Payoneer user, depending on account eligibility. In that case, the sender uses your Payoneer email address or account details to send the payment inside Payoneer. After the payment is sent, check your Payoneer dashboard and transaction history. Some payments arrive quickly, while others may take longer depending on the sender, currency, payment method, and review process. Remember, Payoneer receiving accounts usually have rules. Personal transfers, unsupported deposits, or payments from sources Payoneer does not allow may be rejected or delayed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.